guys, so for today's video, I'm taking you guys along on my morning routine as an online college student. This video is also sponsored by St. Ives, so big shout out to them for making this video possible and also just making my morning routine and my skincare routine that much better. My morning routine has definitely changed a lot since adjusting to this whole online schedule, but I think I have a pretty good hang of it. I have some good habits I've picked up, so I'm excited to share with you guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Good morning, guys. So it is a little past 9 a.m. right now, and I have class today. I'm getting ready for school. So obviously all my classes are on Zoom, so my morning routine's a little bit different, but I thought I'd take you guys along with how I prepare for literally a full day of classes. So it's probably time I get up. Okay, so first things first, I brush my teeth obviously, and then I just cleanse my face with just a light cleanser for the morning. Then I grab my St. Ives scrub. This is the gentle smoothing one with rose water and aloe vera, so it's so gentle and refreshing on your skin. And I just do this like 3 to 4 times a week, and basically I just squeeze like a little dime-sized amount in my hand like this. And then basically you just rub it into your skin, a little circular motions. You can go all the way up to your hairline and just really gently rub it in. This one specifically is actually their most gentle scrub. I feel like I have really sensitive skin, so I like to use this one especially in the morning. And it contains 100% natural crushed walnut powder and rose petals, so smells amazing, feels great, but they actually have a ton of different scrubs, so there's really a perfect scrub for anyone no matter what your skin type is. So anyway, now that this is all rubbed in, I can just wash it off with some water and gently pat my skin dry. And to finish it off, I'm just going to apply some light moisturizer. This gentle smoothing one specifically is just exactly what my skin is craving before class, and a really good pick-me-up in the morning. So if you guys are interested in St. Ives, I will have their links down below so you can check them out. But anyway, let's go make some breakfast. So here's breakfast. Can't say it's the most creative thing ever, but it's easy to make and I can eat it fast before class, and if needed, I could eat it in class too. Usually I don't finish my coffee before class because it's huge, but it's nice to sip on it during the Zoom. I'm just doing like a 12-minute ab workout because I don't have a ton of time, but I feel like it's good just to get that done. Okay, I have about 6 minutes till class now, so I'm gonna get myself together, make my bed, set up the Zoom area, and get started with school, unfortunately. Honestly, if it weren't for Zoom, I probably would not make my bed, but I will say it does motivate me to clean my room. So I pretty much just do all my Zooms at my desk here, and then since clearly the lighting here is not great, not that that really matters, but I like to have good lighting in my Zoom, so I just turn on my little makeup mirror here, let that adjust, and see, perfect lighting. So here is the Zoom setup, got my coffee on hand, a little light, my desk. So I start class really soon, but yeah, that is what a typical morning looks like for me as an online Zoom student. Clearly a little bit different than your average college morning routine, or at least what I did last year, but I feel like now that I'm approaching like the middle of the semester, I definitely have like a good routine going. I have the hang of it. So anyway, once again, thank you to St. Ives for sponsoring this video, and of course be sure to check them out. I will have all their links down below. No matter what your skin type, they definitely have a scrub for you, so be sure to look out for that. Also, if you are not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and do that. And I also have an Instagram and a TikTok that are both at Ella_Elbells. Go ahead and follow me on there, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!